I come back to Thailand after overnight in Laos. I just went to Laos like this with only one handbag. And let me tell you what happened yesterday. I'm in bus terminal today. I have to do a visa run to Myanmar. I have to take the green bus. Green bus is going to direct to Myanmar border, so I need to buy bus ticket.
แม่สาย have 2 p.m.
Okay, the bus ticket is full, then I have to take other bus. Do you have Chiang Rai? Sorry.
They cannot outside.
To Chiang Rai it will take 3 hours, so after Chiang Rai I have to take another minivan. Today is my last day in Thailand. I procrastinate visa run, so I don't have any time except today. I arrived at Chiang Rai. Now I have to find a van to go to border. I'm lucky that I bought the bus ticket. Okay, here's the Mesa. It's a 2-story.
6 o'clock from here to Chiang Mai.
Here to Chiang Mai?
Yes, you want?
6 o'clock?
Yes, 205 baht.
205 baht.
First class.
Okay, I'll buy that.
This ticket
Yeah.
cannot cancel.
Okay. So 6 o'clock from here?
Yes.
Okay, I got the bus ticket. I don't know, bus is so full. So this is only one bus ticket from here 6 o'clock. So I must come here before 5:30. I have to go to the border with this red songcheck. I crossed the Thai border. Now I have to take the bus and pass the bridge to Laos border. I don't know what can happen tomorrow. I booked a hotel with PayPal around the Laos border, and I'm in trouble. I'm in Laos border. Thank you. So going up. This is craziest thing that I come to Laos without anything except a swam bag. Then to PayPal account, I pay the hotel on my phone. I don't have any extra clothes. Welcome to Laos. I got the money. I went to wholesale and I asked a girl, please, can you exchange some money? Like I have to explain everything, and actually she was doubting, she was scared, so I have to show my website, Instagram, Facebook, and I told, don't worry. And then I got like $45 around, and I bought some toothbrush and then shampoo and things. And tomorrow I'll try to cross the border with this money. So at this moment, at least I have some money. Hello, baby. I come back to the Laos border. Let's Let's see what happens. I got exit stamp so easily without any asking. So now the problem is about Thai border. I don't know what Thai immigration will say. If Thai immigration say no, I have to come back to Laos border. Funny. I come back to Thai border. Please let me go my homestay. Oh, please.